Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word platforms. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She walked across the platforms of the train station, searching for the correct departure gate. Platforms refer to raised areas or stages for people to stand or walk on, such as those found in train stations, or as a base structure for elevated structures. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.